Hello everyone, I am Professor Pooja Darda and today we are going to discuss on the very important part of interview, which is when someone asks you, tell us about yourself. Or sometimes your interviewer also asks it like introduce yourself. So tell me about yourself. How to answer this interview question? It is one of the most frequently asked interview questions. Tell me about yourself. Your response will set the tone for the rest of the interview. You know yourself the best, yet giving a good self introduction in an interview is quite a task. If your introduction goes well, you feel confident and the interviewer also get a good impression of you. As morning shows the day, a self introduction sets a positive tone for your interview if it is good. This open ended familiar concept works as a icebreaker for you and your hiring manager. So, in this particular question, what an interviewer wants, sometimes you think. Here is a little secret. When an interviewer says, tell me about yourself, he or she really wants to know about your work experience, how your experience is pertinent to the job you are interviewing for. Here, you are definitely not going to tell the interviewer about your favorite dish, movie, or actor. The interviewer asks these questions to analyze how confident you are and how you present yourself. However, this should not look like your life story, and you should quickly concentrate on sharing a bit about your strength that build the platform for further discussion about your suitability for the job opening. So what all you have to say in this self introduction part? So let's break this particular introduction part in a small preparation note. So what exactly you have to do? By preparing for the introduction, first thing you have to work on it, you have to first focus on the question who you are. It is always a good idea to prepare for this most expected question beforehand. Do not hesitate to include some informal personal information such as your hobbies or what you do on weekends. You can frame your sentence like this. For example, you can say, hello sir, I am Pooja Darda and I have moved to the city 3 months ago. I love the street food here. On weekends, I explore new eating joints. This way, I get to learn the roots of the city and prepare myself professionally. Being a sales professional, my profile requires a lot of traveling. Do not carry it away with personal detail, more of personal detail. Second question you have to think is where do you come from? Mention the place you belong to, the location of your school, your college, and so on. Some people do not consider it worth mentioning, but it is surely gives a lot about your background. You can say, for example, I have been born and brought up in Nagpur. I came to Delhi 3 months ago to explore professional opportunities. I have already rented a place in West Delhi and enjoying the Delhi winters. Like this, you can frame the answer. Third part, which you have to think when you are introducing yourself is, what have you studied? Give a brief account of your educational background, such as your school, graduation, post-graduation, and so on. Mention extracurricular activities you have been part of. Do not list all the courses and certifications you have done. Just include what is relevant to the specific job profile. You can frame your answer like, for example, you can say, I have done my graduation from Pune. For my graduation, I choose XYZ program at ABC University. It was very enriching experience at the university, as not only we were actively involved in practical projects, but also got opportunity to participate in a number of sports and other extracurricular activities such as plays and skits. Like this, you can frame your answer. Fourth part which you have to consider is who you are as a professional. It is always a good idea to identify some worth mentioning professional traits before your interview. Start with your current professional profile. You must present your previous work experience in a structured way. For example, you can say, I have been working as a sales professional for 5 years now. I joined as a sales executive and worked my way up to the position of sales manager within 3 years. Highlight your personal and professional strength by mentioning some previous project. For example, you can say, I have a thorough understanding of sales planning and business development. I have been mostly involved in establishing effective client relationships. I have also developed a superior understanding of customer service and customer relationship with the span of time. To give you an example, I would like to talk about a relatively difficult and unique project that helped me increase the profitability and annual sales volume of the company. Briefly mention the project. Note one thing, do not mention those work experience in detail that are not relevant to the current profile. So let's discuss overall introduction part of you. When someone is asking, introduce yourself, and when you are fresher, so you can say like this. Hello sir, I am Pooja Darda. I am from Nagpur. I completed my bachelor's in cosmetic technology from LED College, which is affiliated to Nagpur University. I completed my 12th grad from Delhi Public School with 89% from CBSE board. My family includes my father, who is an engineer, my mother, who is a lawyer, and my brother, who is pursuing his bachelor's in computer science from Mumbai University. I love playing chess, and I have represented my school in various district and state level chess competition. I am also a part of Rotary Club, where I have participated in community services at various schools, where I was teaching to underprivileged students and visiting a number of old age homes. Being a part of Rotary Club, it has given me a different perspective of life, which makes me appreciate what I am and where I am. So overall, like this, you can give an introduction of yourself. See, whenever you are introducing yourself, think of opening and closing. In opening, short and sweet, no longer than one sentence. In between, you can use a motivational story, where you can briefly tell a story about a challenge or a new situation you faced, what choices you made in response, and how the outcome of those choices influenced your interest in the field. Mention academic work and supporting experiences, relevant course, research, passion projects, internships, and past employment that help you build the knowledge and skills that will be useful to the job. In the closing sentences, you can, this can be a few short words explaining how your story and background make you a good fit for the job, or something about the company you are particularly excited about and why. Okay, if you have some work experience, you can also introduce yourself in this manner. Like you can say, hello sir, I am Pooja Darda. I am from Nagpur. I completed my Bachelor's of Engineering degree in 2009 from NIT Nagpur. I got hired by a renowned IT company through the campus placement. I have been working with the company for almost a decade now. I have learned the ins and outs of IT operation in my journey from a fresher to a manager. My qualification and work experience make me suitable candidate for the profile. I'm looking to join your organization to explore new dimensions and for further skill development of my skills. At last, like this, you can revise and you can introduce yourself when you have some work experience. Okay, and at last, I would like to give you some tips. List of few words. You should list down few words where these words can describe you in a better form. Here are a few examples which I would like to give you. Like if you want to describe your work style, use words like analytical, committed, eager, entrepreneurial, focused. You can use words like hardworking, insightful, persistent, persuasive. And you can use different words to describe your personality. Okay, so you can use words like adventurous, balanced, creative, curious, energetic, positive, risk taker, self-aware. Like this, you can use these words when you are introducing yourself. You can use few words also to describe your work. Like you can use words like attentive, cooperative, direct, empathetic, flexible, helpful, respectful, responsive, sincere, supportive, tolerant. So these are the words which you can use when you are introducing yourself. It gives very nice impression, good impression. So in the last, a few things you have to take care when you are introducing yourself. First of all, start by researching the company and your interviewers. Dress appropriately for the interview. Avoid distractions and keep eye contact. Be confident and comfortable. Be aware of your body language. Prepare what you say. It is very, very, very important. Rehearse your introduction with a friend. Asking friends, families, or colleague can be a very useful to learn what words other would use to describe you. Describing yourself isn't always easy, but you may be surprised by how quickly those who know you can sum up your best attributes. By sharing specific positive attributes and relating them back to how you will use this to help the company in your interview. You will help the interviewer see why you are the best fit for the position. So prepare like this. Like this, you can frame how to introduce yourself or tell me something about yourself. Okay. So in last, if you have liked my this video, please like and subscribe. If you want to know more about job search strategy or how to prepare for interview, you can contact me on my Facebook page, which is by the name Professor Pooja Darda. You can also contact me on my Instagram, or you can follow me on Instagram, which is by the name Professor Pooja Darda. Till then, take care and all the best if you are preparing for some job. Bye.